One simple thing. I'm just loving these series of One Simple Thing, and it is just something to make your journaling easier, simplify. It's kind of the mindset, like I was talking about yesterday, just focus on one thing. So, what we're going to do today is add something that moves, something that flips, folds, or tucks. And one easy way to do that is with an envelope. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use just a mailer that came in, maybe a bill or something. I had a friend save me a lot of these, and so I am going to use that today. And it could be a junk mail envelope that you could repurpose, whatever you'd like to do. So you just want to pick a page, and any page will do. And then you're just going to add something that flips, folds, or tucks, or it can do all of the above. So if I chose this page, this envelope, I could make it flip out like that and have a pocket there. I could also make it fold down and cover this part to reveal a hidden, something, a note, picture, whatever. And I could also cut it if I wanted to and make like a double pocket. But what I'm going to show you today is we're going to actually attach it to be a flip and a fold. Okay, so we're going to, I'm going to put some blue color on the page. For this page, we're going to do it on this side because my flip is going to come out this way. And then I love flips, so I don't know if you do, but I do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so that that doesn't take time in our video. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to utilize this envelope. Okay, I did a lot of prep work before, so I've folded my envelope about a 1/2 inch above where my little window is, and I cut along that crease the flap. Okay, then I put a little sticker in here to be peeking out. I can put anything else in there I want to, but I just put a little sticker in there to be peeking out. Then I covered, the sticker was too big to just be on the inside, and so it was kind of on the, outside the sticky adhesive. So I just put a little cover on there. This is actually going to be covered up anyway, but I just wanted to make sure that that was covered. All right, so we have like a bigger envelope than our page, and that's actually okay because it's going to fold down, right? Okay, so before we put that in, I've cut a piece of some cardstock and I cut out the window. And the way that I cut the window out was I slid this on the inside and I used my embossing tool to just go around the window and press so I'd know where I could cut it out. And I just used a straight edge and a ruler to cut out my window. Okay, so my window's going to fit right there. And this is where my fold comes in. So I'm just going to fold that down. And I know exactly where that will be. Okay, so then we're going to just glue this on. Okay, and you see, I know it's an envelope. That's okay. But I can also see I put some blue ink around the edges and that looks great. Now on this back side, I may want to cover this page on the other side. So I'm not going to worry about that right now. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to glue. And I may seal that envelope, but we'll see. I'm going to glue this flap onto this page right here. Okay. So we're just going to take a little glue, okay, and then on this side, I don't need this flap, but I may just seal it right here. So I'm just going to take a little glue right there. Now I've got my piece that I want to go over this side right here. So I'm going to glue that on. Right. There we go. May be able to cut that out. Okay, So now I've got that. This opens up this way. It's so cute, and it flips out. So now I'm going to take this side, and it may be okay. I think it's okay. So we're just going to glue right here. Sure. I think I need to put something else here. Maybe I'll put some lace or something. But it flips out, and then I can put like a little, maybe I want to put a little note there. Maybe we will, let's see, we want to put, okay, I played with this a little bit. I put a little bit of lace here that I had, a little more here. Then I put a flip on this to make it a interesting, interactive little journaling spot. Instead of using this, I could make a pocket here. And so if I wanted to put a little tag in there, I don't have one right now, but we'll just slide that one in there. I could put a little tag in there, or you know, a little note also, but then I've got my little snowman already peeking out. So I have a little snowflake charm. I'm just going to put it on the bottom down here. I can redo it if I need to, but just using a ball pen and just putting that one to hang off the bottom down here. And that will be cool. And then I can also add some snowflakes in here if I want. Then you have created an interesting movement in your journal page. And then if you want to, you could actually, you know, like make it secured. You could also just put like a little clip if you want. You could embellish that and put a little you know, a ribbon on there, or whatever you like to do. So I hope that you enjoyed this. This is a little bit more than we normally do, but it creates this fun flip up and out with just a little envelope. So anyway, hope you all liked it. Have fun. Just have fun. Just experiment and see what you like to do. And that is our one simple thing for today. Thanks so much for watching.